Hello, myself Rekha. Today we will do 7th lesson coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 fifth question. See here question what is there? In the classroom, 4 friends are seated in the points A, B and C shown in the diagram. Champa and Chamali walk into the class and after observing a few minutes, Champa asks Chamali, "Didn't you think ABCD is a square?" Chamali disagree. Use distance formula, find which of them is correct. See here in this question, here one diagram is there. Four people are there. A, B, C, D is there. These people are sitting in square shape or not, we have to find. How to find what are the square qualities? All sides are equal came and diagonals also equal came, means it is a square. See here in this diagram we will see and we will write A coordinates, B coordinates, C coordinates and D coordinates. See Baba, this is a graph 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a horizontal, this is a vertical. Okay. See here rows and columns. Okay, see here. This is a row, this is a column. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. First A we will write. See here 1, 2, 3. A coordinates 3, 4. Right here x-axis 3, y-axis 4 is there. A coordinates are the 3, 4. Next come B coordinates. B coordinates, see here 6 is there, here 7 is there. B coordinates are the 6 and 7. Next we will come C coordinates. C coordinates means this is a 9, this is a 4. C coordinates are the 9 and 4. Next D coordinates we will write 6, Y coordinate is a 1. So first you have to write the coordinates. So AB distance, BC distance, CD distance and DA distance find. Next diagonals AC and BD diagonals distance find, we will find it is the square or not, we will find. See here right here I written A coordinates 3, 4, B coordinates 6, 7, C coordinates 9, 4, D coordinates 6, 1 we written. Slowly we will solve the answer. See here I will explain step by step. See here A coordinates 3, 4, B coordinates, C coordinates, D coordinates. First we will find AB distance. Distance formula is there. See Baba, AB distance what is there means first you write the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. This is the distance formula. We are finding AB distance. AB distance, see A means what is there 3, 4. Next B means what is there 6, 7. So right here this is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So you apply here, you will get AB distance. X2 means what? 6. Here confuse is there means separate you write it, otherwise confidence is there means direct you write it. Okay, see here x2 means what? 6 minus x1 means 3. 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 means 7 minus 4 whole square under root. Now you simplify 6 minus 3, 3 square plus 7 minus 4, 3 square under root. 3 square means what? 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 under root. 9 plus 9 how much? 18 root. 18 root value, 18 separate you do it. See here I am doing 18 means 2 9s are 18. Next 3 3s are 9. Next 3 1s are 3. So this 18 you can write 2 into 3 into 3 under root. See here this is one group is there 3 into 3 9. 9 root means you will get 3 answers. So one group is there means one number you take outside. 3 root 2 is the answer. 3 3 is 9. 9 means under root 9 means it value is 3. 3 root 2 is the answer. AB distance how much is there? 3 root 2. This distance AB came. AB answer 3 root 2. Next we will do BC. Carefully see Baba. B I am taking. B value how much is there? 6, 7. C value 9, 4. B value I am taking 6, 7. Next C value I am taking 9, 4. This distance you find. Right here x1, y1. Here x2, y2. See here. Now right here BC distance. X2 means 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1. Again confuse is there means write once again formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Confuse is there means write every time, otherwise one time writing also it is okay. Okay, 9 minus 6 whole square. Y2 means 4 minus 7 whole square under root. See here, now observe 9 minus 6, 3 square plus 4 minus 7. Small number to big number minus means answer you will get minus 3 whole square. 7 minus 4, it is 3. But big minus sign is the minus under root. Now see here, 3 3 is a 9. Plus minus into minus, it's become a plus. Plus into plus, you will get plus only. 3 square means a 9. 9 root 18. 9 plus 9, 18 root. Now only we did 18 root value. How much is there? 3 root 2. Now only we did 3 root 2. Okay. Now here BC value how much is there? 3 root 2. BC over. Next we will find AB over BC over. CA we will find. C. C means what is there? C means what is there? 9 4. C means 9 4. Next A means C D. D means what is there? 6 1. C means 9 4. D means 6 1. This distance we will find. See a same formula. CD distance finding. Which formula is there? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Confuse is there means every time write, one time writing also okay. x1 y1. This is x2 y2. x2 means what? 6. 6 minus x1 means 9 whole square. x2 means 6, x1 means 9. Plus y2 means 1 minus y1 means 4. 1 minus 4 whole square under root. Now find here 6 minus 9. Big number sign is the minus. 9 minus 6, 3. Minus 3 whole square. Plus 1 minus 4. Big number sign minus. Minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 1, it is a 3. Under root. Now see here, minus into minus, it's become a plus. 3 3 is a 9. Here minus into minus plus, again plus into plus, you will get plus only. 3 3 is a 9. 18. 9 plus 9, 18 root. 18 root means now only we did 3 root 2. So CD value how much is there? CD value 3 root 2. CD over. Next, now we will find DA. DA means C here. Yeah, I will do. D means what is there? D means 6 1. D means 6 1. A means what is there? 3 4. Here I am doing A means 3 3 4. This distance we will find. Now we will find DA distance. DA is equal to write the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Now apply. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. See here. DA means what? 3 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 whole square under root. Now see here. 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 3 whole square under root. See here. Here minus 2 times means it is become a plus. 3 3 is a 9. 9 plus 9 18 root. 18 root means it is already we did. It answer is 3 root 2. So this answer, this value also how much came? 3 root 2 came. AB, BC, CD, DA same came. Next we will find diagonals also. Diagonals what is AC we have to find. Again BD also we have to find. AC we will find. A means what? 3 4. A means 3 4. A means 3 4. C means 9 4. A means 3 4. C means 9 4. C means 9 4. This distance we will find. C Baba. AC means C. AC means what is there? Again we will write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. See here. What is this? This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Now apply the values. x2 means 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Correct values apply properly, we will get correct answer. See here. 9 minus 3 means 6 square plus 4 minus 4 0 square. See here, under root 6 square means 36 plus 0 square means 0. 36 plus 0, 36 root. 36 root means what is the answer? 6 answer. So AC you got 6 answer. AC means what? This value. This value how much came? 6 answer came. Next we will do BD. See here, BD we will do. B value what is there? 6, 7. I will write here. B value 6, 7. Next D value what is there? D value 6, 1. D value is the, here I will write 6, 1. B value 6, 7. D value 6, 1. Now we will do. Carefully see here. BD value I am finding. See here. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Write here formula. BD is equal to, see here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. See here. This value 6 minus 6 whole square plus y2 means 1 minus 7 whole square under root. Carefully see, 6 minus 6, 0 square plus 1 minus 7. Big number sign is the minus. 7 minus 1, 6 whole square under root. Now see here, 0 square means 0 plus minus into minus is become a plus. Plus into plus you will get plus only. 6 is 36 root. Now see here, 36 root means what is the answer? 6 answer. So BD how much came? 6 answer came. Here see the diagram. BD value how much came? 6 came. So this is square or not we will find. See here, all sides AB, BC, CD, DA, same answer came. 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2. And diagonals, AC 6 came, BD also 6 came. So all sides are equal is there and diagonals also equal is there. So it is a square. Who is correct? Chemeli correct I think. Who is correct here? Champa correct. Champa said it is a square. So you write here. This is the fair notes. So here write last. See here. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Next diagonals. AC equal to BD. So this sides also equal, diagonals also equal. So sides, all sides are equal, diagonals also equal means it is a square. It is a square. Here write a sentence. Here fair notes also I given. See here, all the sides are equal, diagonals are equal. Sides what is there? AB, BC, CD, DA. Diagonals what is there? AC equal to BD is there. It is a square. Who is correct? Here Champa is a correct. This is the fair notes. It means use it this one. So this is very easy sum. It is square or not we have to find. This is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. I think again any doubt also you comment it. Subscribe my channel. Done.